The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, small man. Yeah, you are talking to, yes, you don't want to listen to your family, you don't want to listen to your mother, you don't want to listen to your parents, you only studying friends, you only studying the block, you only want to go and rob, you only want gun in your hand, you only want to smoke weed and play stupid, you only want to play fully dance. But you know what? I have a flick to get you. You see, this time when you grow up and where you're born in here and where you're meeting, this is not life, eh? You know, this is where you're born and meet. You know the results of that life. Let me show you. This is it here.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, this video has been brought to my attention by one of my viewers, and I found some of the things that this person had said in this video interesting, isn't it? And I soon presented the rest of this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now, this video shows a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to point it out that jail is not a nice place, isn't it? This person said some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to send a positive message out there. You see me I say? And you know, on a real, have you ever heard a thing where them say that you can learn from others' mistakes? You see me? Well, in my point of view, this video shows a person who's trying to teach persons from his experience. And in my point of view, I think it is an unfortunate experience. You understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the rest of this video to you. Alright, and you can also let me know what you think. You see me, I wanted to listen carefully to some of the things that this person has said in this video. And, you know, in my point of view, I think that this person's accent might make it a little difficult for some of you, my viewers and subscribers, to understand some of the things that this person had said. So just listen carefully, alright? And the video is right there. You can listen to some of the things that the person said again, alright? Now, as I'm about to present the rest of this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. All right, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
You see inside of here? Watch it here. You see this here? This is jail, right? And this is a clean cell, right? This is your toilet, your everything here, right? When it is you come and they put you in the population, you're going in a cell with 8 men, 9 men, 10 men. You understand? You're sleeping on the ground, you're sleeping in hammock, and above the hammock, it have a next hammock where you're flying up there, and we call it the blimp. You understand? And it's up there, you're eating your everything. You want to pee, you have a bottle, you're peeing. You understand? And you're flying up in the ceiling. You understand? When it is you want to go off, right? It's a man inside the cell now, only eating meat, only turkey, everything they want to eat. When they want to go off, 8 hours inside the cell, 9 hours, you know what you do? Then they pull a gazette paper, spread a gazette paper, right? And go off on that paper, wrap it up, put it in a bag, tie it, and you go and you pelt it down the corridor because it's in a no tub. You see like how this have a tub here? Well, I doesn't go off inside that at all, because if I had to go off inside that and I had to open that to use that again, that is a bomb day. Right? So if it is a feel it's a ranking thing to come in jail, it's real sufferation and real pain. I know life confusing to you out there. You're born in an era, you're born in a time, and you know you're getting guns freely, you're seen, you know. But this is what happened in here today. You have to watch how your friend and them dying. Look at your friends and them from in your village, in your community. Watch how young they die. You understand? Watch how those that lead children. You understand? Watch how the children is now today. You don't want to be so. You have to be smart. You have purpose. You understand? You have to know, boy, this is not life. You understand? You have vision. You follow your vision, you follow your passion, and you can do great things. You understand? But you see the gun thing? That will bring you in jail. That will crash your life. they will get convictions, and they will tarnish your character, even the media. You understand? So I just wanted to know, all you youth men out there, all you see this place here, this is now all you want to be. All you don't want to leave the comfort of all your
viewers, subscribers, if anyone out there think that it is a ranking thing to go into jail, viewers and subscribers, this person in this video is trying to point it out that jail is not a nice place. This person is trying to point it out that jail is a place where people suffer. See me? Like for real, yo, the person said that, you know, like someone they in a hammock and then a next person they on top of a other hammock. You see me? How many persons they in a one small place? You see me? Some persons might call it a jail cell. You see me? I say. You see me? Only I say these things just in case if persons might not really understand some of the things that this person had said, you know, because of his accent, you know, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not clearly understand some of the things that this person had said. You see me? I say. But on a real low viewers and subscribers, you know, this person really and truly I try to make it very clear to each and every one, you see me? And it seems as if he's trying to point it out to persons who might think that crime and violence is the answer. You see me? So it's like he's trying to put that positive message out there. You see me? Teach others from his experience. You understand? Yeah. It's really sad. But on a real though, I respect this person for trying to really and truly send that message out there. So me I say, yeah, I want to say big up and respect to this person. Oh, and by the way, according to some of the information that I got about this video on social media, it is said that this video had been recorded within one of the jails that is within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, that's according to the information that I got about this video. You understand? Now, I'm only telling you according to what had been said on social media about the video. So please bear in mind that the informations that I just gave you or the information that I just gave you might not be accurate. You see what I'm saying to you? But I'm just telling you what I saw on social media about this video. Anyways, nevertheless, I found this video interesting. I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at this video and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, and I'm going to present to you another video, right? And you know, this video is a small video that's out on social media, and the video that I'm going to present to you is going to show something that happened within the country of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, according to what had been said about it on social media, it is said that this video shows when a female caught the man that she's in a relationship with at a woman's house. You see me? Now, on some places on social media, it is said that this video shows when Wifey caught her husband at a female's house, and some places on social media it is said that Wifey caught her husband at a side chick's house. You understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, it's not really a long video, but however, I'm going to present this video to you because it's being talked about on social media. Is what I'm saying to you. And you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? And you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look. Listen and observe.
Now get where these are. Think we're done yet? We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Oh, you're going to country. And you're there, you're this, and you're drawing material. You're material, you're drawing. Yeah, we yeah. Yeah, good. Make sure we are a shot, you know. Yeah.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Now, there's another piece of video to this video, but however, you know, I'm not going to present that piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because really and truly, that video shows some form of vandalism and all these things, and on a real, you know, not much to be seen on that video anyways. You understand me? But however, This video that I just presented to you is being talked about on social media, alright? So you can let me know what to think about this video, and you can let me know what to think about the other video that I presented to you, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.